Hello beauties, it's your girl Angie Baby and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to achieve this look using and comparing two products. If you are interested in what I have to show you, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like it already, share it since you're already here, and let anybody around you to know to subscribe to the Angie Baby YouTube channel. So with no further ado, let's jump into the video.
If you want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert.
Hello my beauties, it's your girl Angie Baby and welcome back to my channel. The two products that I'm going to be using is going to be the original Beauty Blender versus a sponge by Real Techniques. Now there is a cost difference between the two. This is $6 and this is $20. So I'm going to see today, is it worth the difference? Is the original Beauty Blender worth all the hype in the amount? Or can you get away with applying your concealer and pressing on your foundation, whatever products that you want to use with the sponge, which is $6. So we're going to see if that's $16 difference. I'm sorry, $14 difference. Is it really worth it? Stay tuned and I will show you how we'll be applying this and how it will look at the end. Okay you guys, so I'm going to apply my concealer like I typically do. I do use 3 concealers, so I'm going to apply and distribute each concealer evenly, so that way it's not one side that has more product than the other side. And then I'm going to apply my final concealer. And this is a little bit brighter than the other two. And I'm not going to try to, I will not be doing the difference on the bridge of my nose. So I'm just gonna apply it or use the sponge on the right side and the Beauty Blender on the left side. So I'm gonna let this dry down just a tad bit. It's dried down. I'm gonna first go into, I'm gonna use the right side. I'm gonna use the Real Techniques and I'm going to see how this blends out. Now I have already did this method before, so I want your honest opinion. Do you, when I get finished at the end of this video, can you really see the difference or tell the difference? Because honestly, $14, that is a good little amount in regards to the cost difference between these two. So we're gonna see if it's worth it. Now I have tried other sponges and to me sponges do make a difference when using with the products. So I'm not gonna sit here and like, oh, okay, well any sponge works, because in my opinion any sponge does not work. Well, I'm not gonna say work, but to me I can see the difference when using certain sponges. So out of all the sponges that I purchased, I will say for me the Real Techniques has been the best sponge. So I am done with that side. Again, this is the Real Techniques side sponge. I'm going to go now with the original Beauty Blender and use this to press or smooth out my concealer. And again, I'm not comparing the bridge of the nose because I'm not going to apply and see what the bridge of the nose difference is like. More so the majority of my face, so you guys can see the difference in regards to the application of it and how it smooths out the products. Okay, now for me, I do feel as though looking in the mirror, and I'm going to look straight towards the camera so that way you guys can see. Again, this is the sponge and this is the Beauty Blender side. So for me, I feel as though this side left a little bit more product. Now in regards to the difference of it, can I say like, oh well, I'll go out and spend additional $14? We'll see. Let me finish off the rest of my face and I'm gonna get back with you guys and see again if you can tell the difference. Again, this is the sponge. Sorry, this is the Beauty Blender. And this is the Real Technique sponge. So straight on. So let me finish off everything and I'll get right back to you guys with everything being applied, okay? And I will give you my final thoughts in regards to would I spend additional $14 or would I buy multiple sponges for the same cost? Okay, you guys, I am all done. I did make this look very simple because today's focus was comparing the original Beauty Blender against the sponge. Again, this is $20. This is $6. So my opinion and thoughts about it. Would I continue to pay the difference of $14? Honestly, I'm not gonna say I wouldn't, but I wouldn't do it very often. Like, it'll be just, okay, let me try it out again. So I just feel as though it's not that much of a difference between the two for $14 difference. For me to pay a $14 difference in cost, like I was looking for something drastic in regards to how it blended out the products on my face. So yeah, again, not something I would necessarily again pay $20 for. So I'm going to continue to use it. Maybe I may change my mind, maybe I wouldn't, but let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Do you think that it's worth the $20, or do you think I should continue to use the Real Technique sponge and save $14, which is because it's only $6? So let me know in the comments down below if you can tell the difference between this side to that side. Anyway, if you've gotten this far, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share, and let everybody know to come and join the Angie Baby YouTube channel. I'm trying to get more consistent and I'm almost at my next goal. So if you guys can please help me reaching that goal by sharing my content, ensuring that you already subscribed, and let somebody else know to come and subscribe to the channel if they have already not done so. Again, I thank you guys so much for your love and support. It is greatly appreciated. Have a great rest of your day.